Members of the Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association MAASA, that included founding member DESMOND NONGKHLAW and 3 professional pilots of Meghalaya, namely paragliding pilot JOVIAL and paramotor pilots Robert Carlos and BATKUPAR WAHLANG, had met newspersons in Shillong on the 11th of October to inform about the scope of adventure sports, particularly paragliding, in the state. Briefing the media on the potentiality of the state as a training ground for paragliding and other aero sports, founding member of the MAASA, DESMOND NONGKHLAW, said that the association is a non-profit organization that has been registered in July 2021, and after the Aero Sports Championship Trophy scheduled for March 2022, the MAASA would be associated with the Aero Club of India. He added that Meghalaya is known to be the best training ground in the world as far as aero sports are concerned. Places like NONGKHLAW, WAHLANG and Mawlendep have been chosen as training locations for paragliding, where trained and professional pilots of the state, the country and of international renown would be sharing their expertise to support training in the particular sports.
Then we have now actually what our future plan is. We are trying to have a training session right beginning from the first week of December. But before that, we would like to have a recce, and we would like to invite people from the state government, from the tourism department, from the sports department, so that they can come and be part of us, where we are going to have recce, the site selection for paragliding. In the site selections we have selected as of now is NONGKHLAW, then number 2 is WAHLANG in Lightlome area, number 3 is Mawlendep area, and many areas in West Khasi Hills, and as well as Garo Hills. So this association is can take place in any part of Meghalaya. Meghalaya is blessed with it's a learning site. It's one of the best learning sites in the world, Meghalaya. WAHLANG, number 1 one tryout flight to route Mawlendep, Shillong, WAHLANG, West Meghalaya. It's really very beautiful. Technically, it has to be recorded, and this record officials of tourism, sports department, but officially, but kini jaka kira ada but long paragliding.